Welcome back to Encrypto'd. I am your host, Cryptic. And as always, I bring to you the latest news and trends in the crypto world. Today we have another review on an interesting project, including a one-time creative special event. Your time is valuable, so without further ado, let's get right into this project. Today we have a little something that goes like. Today we have MetaTube. As you just saw, MetaTube looks unreal. A 3D and AR Metaverse game built on zkTube Layer 2 network for users to earn NFTs with the concept of play to earn and move to earn. Right off the bat on the website, an interesting window is going to pop up. MetaTube NFT DIY campaign. What is it, you may ask? Well, let's find out together. Let's slap the start button. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have right here is the Elf Egg NFT MetaTube Event Series Episode 2, where you design your own elf egg. And so what? What is this all about? Well, let's look into this. First things first, the timeline. January 19th to February 13th, 2022, obviously, is where you can purchase an elf egg and make a DIY design. To my wonderful viewers in my community, I know you're very punctual and engaging. This is currently ongoing right now, and it's the right time to hop right into this. I'm going to explain a little bit more, but what you need to know is that you can buy an elf egg at the moment and compete in this campaign by designing your own elf egg, potentially winning from judges to have your elf egg permanently represent the NFTs in this MetaTube metaverse. So, moving on. February 14th to February 25th. That is when your design, including everyone else's, will be in the hands of the judges to conduct the votes. And this is the votes for the top 50 designs. So once again, right after the purchase and DIY design, which closes February 13th, starting the 14th to the 25th of February, the voting process begins. So don't miss out, tap in, and stay informed. Along this webpage, the instructions follow. So, if you want to purchase an egg, you can click right here, and I will show you how to do that in just a moment. What you need to know is that there's 1,000 quantity of elf eggs for the unit price of 20 zkTube. So first things first, what you need to do in order to purchase the egg is you connect your MetaMask wallet, and then you follow the instructions on how to buy an original elf egg. Now, how exactly to purchase an elf egg? If you're on your mobile, visit the website and follow through with me. We're going to go through this little step-by-step to show you how to buy an elf egg NFT on MetaTube. So, down right here, you're going to click purchase. Little message going to show, please connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you've done so, you're going to enter a secure password. So enter your password right here, right now. Confirm. Yes, sir. Boom. A little window is going to open, purchasing an elf egg NFT. All you're going to do is choose the quantity of the elf egg, how much you want to buy. So you put 1, for example, and then you put your password again, confirm it's you so that nobody else can take it. And then it's going to load and show you a check mark by successful if everything went through correctly. Now, to make sure that you have the egg, you're going to go into your income. Now let's go visit that egg. You're going to click on income and hover over on DIY elf egg, the last button at the bottom, account list. Click on the record/DIY. This is the record of your purchase, and DIY your NFT. This is where we will design the egg. So right here, channel your inner Picasso, get creative, get different, go off, and hopefully this design will blow the judge's mind. Once you're done, top right corner, you're going to click upload, and it's just going to take a little time to register. But once that's done, your design is uploaded, the data will refresh, and you're all set to go. After a successful purchase, you import the MetaMask wallet into the PayTube wallet, and the elf eggs will appear in the workbench, where then you can freely design your creative, sexy, wonderful egg. Step number 3, the acquired elf egg will be stored in the warehouse, and players need to finish the design and upload them within the specified time. And finally, step number 4, just know that after the voting starts, all the works uploaded by the players will be visible, and the community users can participate in the voting. So then the top 50 works with the highest number of votes will be saved and become the permanent elf eggs design in MetaTube. And all the purchases will get the elf eggs after the MetaTube game is launched. The highest 50 works of votes will also contain exclusive content. The higher the ranking, the richer the content. And note, the total number of elf eggs again is 1,000. If the number of eggs purchased exceeds 1,000, they will refund the zkT corresponding to the excess of the purchase address. That is so nice and wonderful. zkTube Labs reserves the right of final interpretation of this activity. Awesome. That's all I gotta say. So there you have it, folks. The first event with MetaTube. This is series episode number 2. Tap right in. If you want to know where to tap in, all their links and platforms, their handles will be in the link in the bio, or you can visit their website and go all the way down and you'll find their Twitter, their YouTube, and their Telegram, perhaps their Discord. Listen, they have a wonderful community. They've been working on these projects for a while. They've been developing so much, and their community now is growing over 20,000 members. So you want to voice your concerns, you want to communicate with people, tap right in. Don't hesitate. This is a very strong and wonderful community. Let's look in deeper into MetaTube, the cool and wonderful things about it, including the metaverse. What makes it different? So, if you're wondering, the universal idea of the MetaTube is that it contains countless magical elements that float in the vast universe. These magical elements are pulled by an invisible force close to each other, which eventually evolve into different galaxy elves. The attributes of these galaxy elves can be enhanced and upgraded by continuously absorbing other magic elements floating in the universe, or by winning battles which absorb the magic elements of other elves. You may find yourself in the Cyber City. Players' elves will gain XP, MP, HP, and be more experienced and stronger throughout several battles in the challenge arena. To all my cyber fans, including myself, clearly you can notice from the mask itself, we love the cyber aesthetic. This place looks unreal. We saw that first video with the star, unreal. This picture, unreal. We love the cyber feel, the cyber aesthetics. Just past outside the Cyber City, you may come across a forest and woodland. As the time eventually goes by, changes are taking place quietly in the forest, such as birth of elves with various magical attributes. Due to the rapid increase in the types and number of elves, the balance between elves is eventually broken. This accompanied by endless struggles between the different elves. The once quiet forest is now facing a gruesome fighting atmosphere of various magic elements. Hey, okay, this looks really dope too, honestly. Moving on. In the desert beneath the sand with dust hovering above, there are many mysterious creatures. They are the incarnation of elves. Each kind of elf has several attributes such as different appearances, talents, and grades. And there you have it, folks. A little context of what the MetaTube Metaverse looks like and what it includes, what you might kind of find, what's the environment like. Looks unreal. I may have said unreal a few times, just a few. So I'll say it again. It looks unreal. Where is MetaTube taking us? Let's look at the roadmap. As you can see, their Q4 2021, they've completed what they said they would complete. Awesome. Now moving on to Q1 2022. What are we looking at right now? Number one, completion of the development of the laboratory where all elves are born. 2. Unlock the first stage map, including space, cyber city, forest, and desert. Players can experience zero-distance interaction with the elves on the map through the app. Completions of the cultivation, upgrade, and sale functions, and players can perform PvE and PvP anytime and anywhere. Now that's fun. Connect NFT marketplace with zkTube Layer 2 through PlayTube wallet. That is what we're hyped about. Why? You know why. The first event happening, you buy your eggs. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is MetaTube in a nutshell. In all honesty, I'm pretty interested to know more and see where this project goes. If you are, well, at this point of the video, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. But we're not done. We're going to hover over to their Twitter and check out their latest information. So what are we checking out? Check this out. Like I've mentioned it before, the MetaTube Event Series Episode 2, Design Your Own Elf Egg NFT campaign. They're tweeting about it, sharing it. But if you hover down here, you're going to notice the partner, zkTube, Zero Knowledge Tube, has also shared the same campaign. They're both promoting MetaTube. They want to take this project further, get your support, but also return the favor by giving their community back a chance to earn NFTs, to make investments, and to grow with this project. So that brings us to our next topic. What is zkTube? Who are they? What do they do? Why are we interested? Check this out. zkTube is a layer 2 protocol which uses zero knowledge proof and 2K rollup to realize low transaction fees and high throughout transactions in Ethereum. We're gonna hop right onto their website. As you can see, they got the beautiful cyberpunk aesthetics going on. So what's beautiful about zkTube is that they're turning Ethereum green. They're providing high transaction volumes and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. So they want better for the environment. Zero Knowledge has some popping milestones, which I think you should hover over and check it out. Zero Knowledge Proof was first conceived in 1985 in the paper The Knowledge Complexity of Interactive Proof Systems. Zcash in 2016, the first zero knowledge proof blockchain project Zcash was born. As well as zero knowledge proofs are on Ethereum's roadmap and have been for over 2 months. As well as zkTube Protocols is the world's first zero knowledge proof mining network. zkTube for the win. We stand, we believe in them. A little bit about their tokenomics. How is zkTube distributing their tokens? Check this out, 330 million maximum supply. Unreal. There's currently over 237,000 token holders, 977 holding addresses, and 7,105 transactions. These statistics look unreal. What I want to highlight is this big blue portion of their token distribution allocated by community mining. Finally, guys, if you want to learn more about zkTube, I highly suggest you to get onto their website. They have a bunch of media broadcast videos, articles, news, reports, a lot of different things you can look at and just learn more about what they're doing, what they're working on. You can also hop onto their Medium. They have some really interesting articles about their weekly reports. A project like this that serves you consistent and progressive reports and news about their progress screams an overall just strong, sustainable project. So folks, my beautiful people, thank you so much for listening today. I want to dive deeper into both of these projects, MetaTube and zkTube, but we have said a mouthful and I don't want to make this video any longer. If you want to see a part 2 and want to learn more about these projects, let me know in the comments. If you made it this far in the video, drop a moon emoji, this one right here that follows this logo. You see this? On MetaTube, they have like a half moon. That emoji. Yeah, let's make it happen. Drop the comments. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Encrypto'd. My name is Cryptic, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.
He will discover with me. Bad idea, bitch. I got the gang. We pull up on him. 10 toes down and I don't. Let's get it, what's poppin', let's go. I got the bag, the coins, the flow. You got a whip, I got a coupe. Shoot for the stars and I land on the moon. You got a dog, I got a zoo. dog shit.